اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے. جی نرسری, ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می. پہلا کلمہ طیب. طیب معنی پاک. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. once again nursery. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ترجمہ: اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں. Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. قل ہو اللہ احد اللہ صمد لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفواً احد. Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, once again good morning. Before starting our lecture we do some general knowledge question answer. Here are the 5 questions that we do in the last week. So right now I will only revise these questions, okay? I will ask the question and you will give me the answer. Yes, question number 1 is nursery, who are we? Excellent. Yes, we are Muslim. Clap for you, nursery. Number 2, what is the name of our religion? Excellent. The name of our religion is Islam. Now come to the question number 3. What is the name of our country? Very good. The name of our country is Pakistan. So nursery class, are you ready for the next question? Next question is, what are the color of our flag? Yes, exactly right. The color of our flag is green and white. Now the question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. We found star and crescent. Very good. Now nursery class, are you ready for the question of this week? Yes. Now the question number 6 is, How many prayers are in a day? Your answer is 5 prayers. Okay. Question number 7 is, what are the name of the prayers? Your answer will be Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Well done. You want to revise the answer of question number 7? Yes. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 8. How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days in a week. Now the next question, which is question number 9. What are the names of days in a week? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nursery class, there is no worry. You don't have to prepare these questions in one day. Okay? We will revise in the whole week and after that. Okay? We will ask this question in your quiz. Okay? So in this way, these questions are revised. And let's come to the last question of the week. Who is the founder of Pakistan? It means who made the Pakistan nursery? And the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? Ji, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, nursery class. So first, as you know that we start our work with book work. So please kindly open page number 56 of your book, in which page number 2020 is here. Okay, we have to count, trace and write, and I think you are big enough, mashallah, that can you do it. So for now we have to write the date on the top of the page, nursery class. So today date is 7-1-2-12-2020, nursery class. Okay, nursery class, now write the 2 like this. Okay, so this arrow is moving downward, so we will follow this arrow and make a beautiful 0, nursery class. Please try to do a neat work. Okay, so I will give you more star on it. Okay, nursery class, so there are 20 flowers, so we have to count how many flowers are here. 1, you know the rule of counting, put a finger or put a pencil and count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. So nursery class, how many flowers are here? 20 flowers. Nursery class, it's your choice to do one color in all the flower or different color in different flowers. Okay, nursery class. So write down over 2 here. I have told you how to write 2. Make a curve and then a straight line makes 1. Join the arrow and it will make 0. Are you watching nursery or you moving forward? Okay, don't disturb your mama. Do it work by yourself because you are grown enough, nursery class. Okay, nursery class. And complete all these dots, nursery class. Now here is one more dot. What you have to do like this. This is for who are new in our online classes, nursery. And one more thing, nursery class, if you have already done this page in the class, then there is no need of worry. It means that you have to do only one page tomorrow. Today is short work for you. So nothing is to worried. Okay, nursery, 2 and 0. 20 like this. Okay, nursery, again last 2 and 0. Okay, nursery class, quickly finish the page and come to me and I will meet you after completing this page and coloring. Okay, quickly do it. So nursery class, now you can see your teacher have finished with coloring and done the full page. Okay, now you have to do it like this. Okay, and do a please neat and clean writing. Now come to the page number 5757. Now see what they are saying to us. They are saying fill in the empty boxes. Nursery, I have told you that we have done what comes before, what comes after and what comes between. It's like that. You can see this is a string, or you can say this is like a bead that we have to fill the bead with the missing numbers. Okay, nursery class, this is very simple. You only have to read the counting and then write down the numbers. Okay, let's see what is this number 1. So nursery class, please tell me what comes after 1. 2. Exactly right. What comes after 1? 2. So we will write here number 2. Okay, now see, they already have given us number 3. So nursery class, please quickly tell me what comes after number 3. 4. Excellent, nursery, you are a superb class. One big line, one small line makes number 4. Now come, here is number 5, nursery class. So what comes after number 5, nursery class? Yes, quickly. Excellent. Number 6. So write down here number 6. Okay, nursery class. Now move to the next number. Yes, this is number 7. So nursery class, what comes after number 7? Yes, quickly. 8. Nursery is a super class. Excellent, nursery. Now see, the book is helping us. Here is number 9. So nursery class, can you please tell me that which numbers come after 9? Yes, number 10. 1, 0, 10. Nursery class, I think they are playing with the numbers. They have given us one number and they are asking from us one number. It's very nice game, nursery. This is number 1010. So what comes after 1010, nursery class? Yes, 11. Now tell me the next number, nursery class. Yes, 12. So what is the next number, nursery class? 13. Which number comes after 13? 14. Which numbers comes after 13? Yes, 14. Excellent. Now they have given us 15. Which number comes after 15? Yes, 16. So which number comes after 16? Yes, 17. And what comes after 17? 18. Wow, I like this game, nursery class. So which number comes after 1818? Yes, 1919. And what comes after 1919? Yes, this is 2020. And we have finished our work, nursery. See how beautifully we have done our work. Okay, so finish your book work and now it's time to come to the board work. Ji nursery class. Now it's our board work time, nursery class, and I have write the date on the top of the page, and you also have to write same on your copy. Today date is okay. What is date today, nursery? Please tell me that the way you tell in the class. Yes, today date is 7. Today date is 7. 7 dash 1 to 12 dash 2020, and kindly write down C.W in the middle of the page. Okay, nursery class? Now it's time to revise our last work, nursery class. So we are doing spellings in the class, nursery. So first of all, we will revise the spelling of 0. So nursery class, what is this number? 0. So what is the spelling of 0? Revise with me 3 times. Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. Now 1. What is the spelling of 1? O-N-E-1. 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 Put the finger on the word and then read. O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Now what is this number, nursery class? This is number 2. So what is the spelling of number 2? T-W-O-2. 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 So nursery class, which numbers comes after 2? Yes, number 3. Today we will read the spellings of number 3. T H R E E 3. Now nursery class, one important thing that you are going to do today. See nursery class, there is 2 E. How many E's? 2 E's. 1 and 2. Okay? There are 2 E in the spelling. Okay, nursery class? Whenever the same letter words come, we say it double. This is single and this is double. This is single and this is double. Like this. This is apple. I will draw apple and tell me how many apples are here. This is 1 apple, nursery. Okay. You want to see the magic? I will make it double. See nursery class how it will become double. Oh, now it's double apple. 1 apple and now it's double. It's 2. 1 apple and it is double. 2 apples. So whenever same 2 letter words come, so we say it double. So we will read from today double E. Read with me nursery class. Double E. Again double E. Again double E. Excellent. Now nursery class, what is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E 3. Again, T-H-R-E-E double E three. THR double E three. THR double E three. Now you tell me what is the spelling of three, nursery class? THR double E three. One more time. THR double E three. Okay, nursery class. Now it's now our time to start our classwork, nursery class. So please write the date and classwork on the page so we can start our classwork.
Go.
So nursery class, I have drawn lines for you, nursery, and I have written classwork in spellings over. See, there are two LL. Okay, so we read it double L. SPE double LING. Spelling. Okay, we are doing spellings. What we are doing in the maths class these days, nursery? We are doing spellings. So today is the spelling of number 3. So write down here 3. Put the finger in the first block and write down 3. Okay, nursery class? And put a sign. Now you tell me, what is this sign called, nursery class? Yes, the sign is called equal to. What is the sign called? Equal to. And what is the spelling of 3? T H R double E 3. Please, nursery class and Abdul Ahad, please make your writing very neat and clean, okay? Because I like tidy work. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. Now put a finger and say leave one block. Leave one block. And write down here 3 again, nursery class. Put the sign of equal to and write once again THR double E 3. Okay, nursery class. Again, put a finger and write down THR double E 3. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. I will again tell you that when the same word came 2 times together, it is, we read it like double E. This is double L. This is double E. Mama, please practice them of the double words. Okay? THR double E 3. THR double E 3. Now leave one block and write down once again 3. THR double E 3. Okay, now fill your full page of 3.
There you go.
Okay, nursery class, I have filled the full page. You also have to do it like this. Now once again read it. THR double E 3. THR double E 3. So nursery class, today how many apples you will draw? 3. How many apples you will draw, nursery class? 3 apples. I have told you how to draw the apples. Write 5 like this, nursery class. Okay, then make a curve like this, nursery class. Then make a leaf. And kindly color your apple, nursery class. One apple, nursery. Apple is of red color, nursery. What is the color of the apple? Apple is of red color. Second apple, nursery. Okay. And number 3 apple. Count. Apple 1. Apple 1. Apple 2. And apple 3. So how many apples we will draw today? 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. So nursery class, last time tell me what is the spelling of 3? THREE. THREE. So nursery class, now I will tell you how will you do the work on your copy. Yes, nursery class, I have prepared a page for you that you don't get confused how to do your classwork. I have write here date and classwork and spelling here. You have to write down number 3 and the spelling and then draw 3 apples. Again you write 3 and the spellings and draw 3 apples. In classwork you will have to do only one page. Again I will tell you, in classwork you have to do only one page. Again I want to tell you that you have only one copy in your bag, which is homework copy. Okay, so on the homework copy, on the one page you have to do the classwork, and on the next page you will have to do the homework. In classwork you have to do one page, and in homework you have to do the 2 pages. One page is like this: 3, the spelling of 3, THREE3. Then you will draw the 3 apples like you draw in the classwork. Again write the spelling and write down number 3 and then draw the 3 apples. Then turn the next page and write down 0 to 50. Okay, on the next page you have to write down the counting of 0 to 50. So today is Monday, we are not going to do any activity. Inshallah we will do the activity on Friday. But there is a story for you. Finish your work, then I will send you the story. So thank you very much, nursery class, for your time. Okay, take lots of good care. Allah Hafiz, and inshallah we will meet on the Friday. Goodbye.